Hi, butterflies. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Ready for our session today? It's easy one. It's about geometry. Geometry means shapes in math. In geometry, I study shapes and everything related to shapes. And the first lesson about shapes, or I will learn about the lines, that the names or the types of lines that I have, or some basic geometric concepts. Some basic geometric concept. What are these basics? The first one I want you to know about this point. Look, it's just a point. This is just a point. I call it point. Why do I need that point? For what? To tell me about the location. To tell me about the location of a letter. Or it tells me I am here. I'm talking about this part exactly. The second thing I want to mention, what I call it, this, and I call it line. I call it line. This one. I call it line. And I still have this one, still a line, and I have this line. Oh my God, what do I call these? They are not same actually. The first one I call it just a line, line, line. The second one I call it line segment, line segment. The third one I call it ray, ray, ray. Now, let's talk about each one. In the line, if I put a point here and a point here, I will call these points A and B. I call it line, the line A, B, the line A, B. What's special about the line? This line is special. Why it's special? Because I can't make it. I can go forever I want here and forever I want there. Okay? I can go as much as I want, as much as I want, to the right, to the left. I can go forever. I can go forever. I can go forever. Okay? So that's about the line. What about the line segment? In line segment, if I put my points, look at here, my points come on the edges. My points come on the edges. And on the edge, I can't go after or before. No, I can't go. I just stay as am I. I can't go. So the A will be the starting point and the B will be the ending point. Oh no, I have two endings. I have two endings. I can't go after to the right or after to the left. No, I don't have that arrow. The arrow here tells me to go more to that side, tells me to go more for that side. But look at the line segment. I don't have that point. What about the ray? What about the ray? Actually, the ray is a mix between the line and the line segment. Part, I can't go after it, and the other one, I just easy to go more forever. Look at here. It's okay to go forever. So the points AB here, the points AB here, I cannot go with the point A. No, I cannot. But I can go after the unit B. I can go more and after the unit B. Look, I can go. Oh, hey, stop dancing, line. Hey, Ray, what's happening? Oh my God, look at that naughty Ray. I just can go more and more and more. Okay, it's okay. But in the part with the A, no. In the point A, no. Okay, Nasalia, we learned how to what's the difference between the line segment, and the ray. So how I write them and how I read them. If I want to write or to read the line here, this line, these are the names actually. These are the names. So I call this AB, the line AB, the line AB. And you can see that at the top, it's how the line looks like. The line AB. Look, I can make it like this. The line AB. Can I switch it? Can I start it from B to A? Yeah, sure. You can say the line BA. It's okay. You can make it, this is correct, and this is also is correct. So what about the line segment? I call the line segment AB. Line segment AB. Can I start from the other side? Of course, yes. I can say it, the line segment BA. BA. And you can find at the top here how the line segment looks like. Okay, what about the ray? What about the ray? Look at here. In the ray, what is the name of that ray? The ray AB. The ray AB. Okay, Miss Alia, can I make it the ray BE? BA? Actually, no. This is no. Why, Miss Alia, this is different? Why this is no? Because look at here, darling. Which mark with the arrow? Which mark with the arrow? The A. Is that the truth? Look at here, look at the drawing. The B with the arrow, the A with no, I cannot move more. So actually AB is correct, but the BA, no, it's not correct because the starting point is not with the B, no. So I cannot make them same. I cannot make them same. So one more time, let's remember, I have 4 concepts I want you to understand. The point, and the point tells me about the location or the place of the part I'm talking about. Line, in the line, I can go forever in both sides. In the lines, I can go forever in both sides, and I can write the names and I can switch the names, it's okay. Line segment, I cannot, never, no. I have ending points. I have ending points. I have ending points. So no, I can't go more. No, I stop here. I stop here. But the ray, I have only 1 point. Only 1 end point. 1 end point. The A only. But in B, it's okay to go forever. It's okay to go forever. That's for concepts or basics related to geometry. Look at here. The second thing I want to mention, imagine I have 2 boys are walking together. Maybe these boys are brothers, right? Maybe these 2 boys are friends. How do I know the relation? I have to ask them. Also, in the lines, I have relation. In the lines, I have relation. Imagine that I have 2 lines are together. I have 2 lines are together. This is a line. This is another line. Is walking next to it. They are walking together. What do I call this? I call this, I call this parallel lines. Parallel lines. Parallel lines. What do you mean, Miss Alia, by parallel lines? That means the point here, the point AB, the line AB, and the line CD are parallel. That means never touch. They never touch. That means what? Never touch each other. Never touch each other. No, they always walking beside each other. Okay? And how I write that? I say the line AB is parallel. This is the mark of the parallel. parallel to the line CD. Parallel to the line CD. And also I can make that mark. I can make these two arrows like that, and that means they are parallel. They are parallel. These marks means parallel. That means what? Never touch. They never touch. Can I, Miss Ali, I make my lines like that, for example? Yeah, of course. It could be like this. They could be sleepy lines like that. It's okay. As long as I don't touch, as long as I don't touch the other line, it's okay. Even if I go forever, even if I go forever. Imagine, look, I will go more down here. Look, they never touch. More down, more to the right, more to the left, whatever. They never touch. Okay? This is the first relation. Miss Alia, imagine I have these lines. Look at here. Imagine I have these lines. Oh my God. Look at these lines. They touched. They touched. So I call them intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. And intersecting lines, actually the lines touch. The lines touch. Look at here. They touch in this point. This is the touching point. This point is the touching point here. So imagine I write names A, B, and I have C, D, and they touch in point L, for example. So I say the line AB is intersect the line BC at point L. That means these two lines are touching. These two lines are touching together. Understand? Look, they touch. So the line AB is intersects the line BC at point L. Intersects the line BC at point L. DC, sorry. Oh, DC. Tell me. Thank you. Okay. What about if I have my lines? They also intersecting, by the way. Watch out. They intersect. But in this way. Oh my God. Focus, because this word is totally new for you. This word is totally new for you. What do I call that? I call that perpendicular. Perpendicular. Perpendicular, look at here. I can make this a square. Let me make it shadow. I can make a square on the angles. Look at the angle. I can make this square. I can make that square here. Look, I can make another square in this side. Oh, I can make another square. I can make 4 squares on the intersecting point. I can make 4 squares. What do I call it? I call it perpendicular. Perpendicular. In perpendicular lines, I can make, as I told you, 4 squares. 4 squares. And I call it like this. Focus. These are my points, A, B, C, D. I will say it like this. The line AB is perpendicular, This is the mark of perpendicular. This is the symbol, okay? AB, perpendicular, perpendicular to line C, D. And also I have intersecting point, never forget, they touch at point L. Understand? Miss Alia, I can see that it looks like the plus. Yes, it looks like the plus. So perpendicular lines looks like plus. But look at here, look like plus. Look at here, but intersecting lines look like multiply. They multiply. They show multiply mark. Okay? So one more time. I have parallel lines. That means they never touch. Parallel lines, they never touch. And I have intersecting lines, they touch at a point and it looks like a multiply mark. Perpendicular lines, and in perpendicular lines they touch and I can make 4 squares, and these squares means I have right angle here, that I have a right angle, and it looks like the plus. Okay, easy. Ready to answer in the book? Actually, it is an easy session, by the way. Let's answer in the book. We will mention the name of each of the following. Let's share the screen. Look at here. Let's answer the page. What's the name of this shape? Amazing. I call it line segment. I call it line segment because in line segment I have two ending points. Two end points or two ending points. What do I call this? Bravo. Ray. It has only one side open side and one closed side. What about here? Amazing. That's what I call it line in the last point. Wow. That's super. You got the lesson easily. Okay, what about this question here? What do I call these lines now? What's the relation between the lines? Parallel. Bravo. Even look, the letter L shows how they are. Bravo. Oh, I have a square. What do I call that? Bravo. Perpendicular. What do I call these? What do I call here? Oh, Miss Alia, they're not touching. Yeah, but look when I go more. Oh, they touch. They touch here. So what do I call them? Bravo. Intersecting. Intersecting. Please answer the questions below. If you have any questions, just don't hesitate to call me. Thank you. Bye-bye.